This video is for 9th standard students. We are studying the 6th chapter, Trigonometry, exercises 6.2. The topic today is trigonometric values. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. Okay, so here I have drawn the chart of all trigonometric values. Okay, we know the trigonometric ratios. They are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, what are these values at these different angles? So here are the angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So sin at 0 degree is 0, sin at 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sin 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, and sin 90 is 1. Okay, you have to memorize this thoroughly. There is no other option. Okay, now for cos, let's find out. Cos of 0 is 1, cos of 30 is root 3 upon 2, cos of 45 is 1 upon root 2, cos of 60 is 1 upon 2, and cos of 90 is 0. Here you can see that cos values are exactly opposite of sin values. So here the sin value is from 0 to 1, whereas cos value is from 1 to 0. See here 1, then again we are writing root 3 upon 2, this as it is, here we are writing 1 upon 2, and this is 0. So these are some patterns for you so that it will be easy for you to memorize. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, therefore 0 upon 1 is 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2 is 1 upon root 3. Similarly here 1, this is root 3, and this is not defined. Similarly, these are the values for cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Please memorize these values thoroughly. Okay, verify the following inequalities. Sin square 60 plus cos square 60 is equal to 1. Okay, let's take the LHS. So let's find out these values. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. So sin square 60 is root 3 upon 2 the whole square, that is 3 upon 4. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So cos square 60 is 1 upon 2 the whole square is equal to 1 upon 4. So let's take the LHS. Add up these two. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 4 upon 4 is equal to 1, which is the RHS. So here you can see from this example how important it is for you people to know the values of the angles, sin values and cos values of the different angles. So please memorize the table thoroughly. Okay, verify the following inequalities. 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to sec square 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 upon root 3. So here let's take the LHS. 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon root 3 the whole square, that is 1 upon 3. Okay, add it, you get 4 upon 3. Similarly, you have to take the RHS. Sec 30 is equal to 1 upon cos 30 is equal to 1 upon, you know what is cos 30? Root 3 upon 2. So this will be 2 upon root 3. Okay, now square both the sides. So here you can get 4 upon 3. Okay, now you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Verify the following inequalities. Cos 90 is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 is equal to 2 cos square 45 minus 1. Okay, first let's take this expression. Cos 90 is equal to 0. We know that. Okay, let this be 1. Now take this expression. 1 minus 2 sin square 45. This is equal to 1 minus 2, 1 upon root 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, the whole square. Okay, 1 minus, this is 1 upon 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, so write it down, 1 upon 2. It will get cancelled. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can do for 2 cos square 45 degree minus 1. So the substitute 1 upon root 2 here and then simplify, you will get the answer as 0. Hence, all these three values are equal. Okay, next sum is sin 30 into cos 60 plus cos 30 into sin 60 is equal to sin 90. Take the LHS, substitute these values. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, plus cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 multiplied by sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 4. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is 3 upon 4. Add this, you get 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. Okay, take the RHS. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Find the value of the following. So here it is tan 45 upon cosec 30 plus sec 60 upon cot 45 minus 5 sin 90 upon 2 cos 0. Substitute these values. Sin 45 is 1, cosec 30 is 2 plus sec 60 is 2, cot 45 is 1 minus 5 into sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. Okay, simplify this, you will get the answer as 0. Okay, next sum is sin 90 plus cos 60 plus cos 45 into sin 30 plus cos 0 minus cos 45. Okay, so here write down the values as usual. So here it is 1, cos 60 is 1 upon 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, multiplication sign, keep it as it is, put the bracket, cos 30 is 1 upon 2, cos 0 1 minus 1 upon root 2. Okay, if you see the expression closely, it is in this form. In algebra, you have learnt x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So this expression plus 1 upon root 2 multiplied by again the same expression minus 1 upon root 2. So this will give us 1 plus 1 upon 2 the whole square minus 1 upon root 2 the whole square. Okay, simplify this. This is 3 upon 2 the whole square minus 1 upon 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Okay, simplify it further, you will get this answer 7 upon 4. Find the value of the following. Sin square 30 minus 2 cos cube 60 plus 3 tan raised to 4 45. Okay, so here sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So square it, minus 2 into cos 60 is 1 upon 2. Cube it plus 3 into tan 45 is 1 raised to 4. Simplify this, you will get the answer as 3. Okay, question 3. Verify cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, where a is equal to 30 degree. Take the LHS, cos 3a, substitute a is equal to 30 here. So you get cos 3 into 30, that is equal to cos 90. And we know cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the LHS. RHS, take this expression. Okay, here put a is equal to 30. Okay, we know cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Here we need a cube. So it will be 4 into root 3 upon 2, the whole cube, minus 3 into cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Okay, simplify this. You will get this expression as 0. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, question 4. Find the values of 8 sin 2x, cos 4x, sin 6x, where x is equal to 15. Simple sum, same as the previous sum. Write down the expression, substitute x is equal to 15 in the expression. So you get 8 sin 2 into 15, cos 4 into 15, sin 6 into 15. So this is equal to 8 sin 30, cos 60, sin 90. Substitute sin 30 as 1 upon 2, cos 60 as 1 upon 2, sin 90 as 1. Simplify it, you will get the answer as 2. So here you can see these sums are very simple. The most difficult part of this exercise is that you have to learn that table. You have to know what is the value of sin 30, cos 30. Once you know it, you can substitute and solve the problem. So please learn the table thoroughly. Okay, here we come to the end of the exercise.